And we are back at the Mango Island Cafe. And they are having, what was it again? Ham and cheese bread.
Try it.
We ordered one and all of them tried it. I'm okay. Good? Yeah? Here's the pizza.
Oh look, on my topping.
Okay, this is something new we ordered. And that is not just okay. Dig in. They miss doing this. They can only do this if we go here in the Island Mango Cafe restaurant. So eat so they can stay here. Here I'm going to get this set up. See if this is my first time. Daddy, can you help me? I don't know how to do this in your restaurant, huh?
Just a hose, you plug in one, plug in the other to the machine.
Can you feel it? Yeah. Ayan. She have to do nebulizer. Now Stephanie's turn. Just no. Nag-ihaw kami. Nag-ihaw si Janine. Kumakawin. Yung malaking isda. Yeah. You guys did not eat fish. And lemon. We are out of here in town. Go 7-Eleven, see if they have throat lozenges for Stephanie. She can't stop coughing even after the medication the doctor prescribed her this morning. I don't know what that is. That guy seems drunk. Looks drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have ball games here, man. Yep, basketball. Over there in the gym. Oops, that's like 7-Eleven should be 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
Police
Should be.
department right here. I mean, your friends with all the dogs in here.